Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to kind of show what stage we're at with my wife's 2024 Bronco two-door. As you saw from the previous video, the 2024 two-door manual, all black. It had some blue accent pieces on the side for the badges and up front on the vinyl on the Bronco. But otherwise, it's pretty much totally stock. So it's been probably a good month and a half now. We finally got it back from getting some of the work done. So let's take a look at it in its current stage and get your thoughts. So as you can see, we did put a vinyl graphic on it. So this is a graphic my wife picked out from, I think it's called Underground Graphics. I think it looks really good. First of all, we took the blue vinyl off the Bronco lettering on the front. Next part will be taking that grill off and painting it white, and also installing the light up Bronco badge up front. You can see from the side here, I think it really pops. It was all black before, but now we got the white vinyl on there and also the black Bronco lettering, whereas before those were blue as well. So I think this is a really great look. Kind of gives it like a semi-vintage look, kind of in the vein of the Heritage Edition, just with a little bit more white pop to it. She was originally looking for Heritage, but then she felt like putting on, again, like you see this, that we got the Bestop eTop on this as well, that would kind of ruin the aesthetic of Heritage with the white roof, since they don't make the Bestop eTop in white. But you can see here the vinyl going around. You can also see from behind here. They did a really great job. So like I said, this vinyl kit was from Underground Graphics, and then we took it to the same company that did my PPF on the windshield. It's called ACAP. They had two locations, one in Malvern and one in Lancaster. This one we took to the Lancaster one because they do the vinyl work. So some companies don't take other companies' vinyl kits to put on. They prefer to do their own, but thankfully ACAP was willing to do the kit from Underground Graphics, and I think it turned out awesome. Between the black and the gloss white, I think that's a great combo, and my wife is thrilled the way it came out. Definitely makes it more unique and makes it her own. And on top of that, as you can see, we also got the Bestop eTop put on. So we just received that back this week. So this is gonna be a permanent installation here. It's not like we're gonna be taking this off in the winter, putting the old roof back on. This is gonna be what she's gonna live with day in and day out through all 4 seasons. It's not really meant to come on and off. It's a pretty heavy kit. We can see here, it's got like the plastic side windows, and then it's got this like plastic filler. It's got this plastic window filler piece here, because then the whole roof, comes down, and this stays in place actually. But yeah, it's just basically, if she wants to go convertible, it's 2 latches on the front. Have to have your foot on the brake, and then push the button on the console, and then the whole roof comes down, and just as easy to come up. I'll open it up here and take a look and show you what they did here. So if you see here in the console, oh, don't mind the wires. So 2-door, right? So it's only got 2 window switches. We can see here, they kind of cut into the console and put the roof operation button right there. So all you gotta do is put your foot on the brake, push that button, and it goes down. When you're ready to put it back up, push the button, have it go up, and then, you got the 2 latches on the front here. They're pretty big latches, so pretty easy to get to. But yeah, really well put together, really great material. You don't, like, I have the Skywriter on my Bronco, and you can see like all the structure of the cross member braces and everything, but this is fully enclosed with the cloth. Really OEM set up here with the way they kind of put this roof together. Yeah, so again, really great. Next thing she wants to do, like I mentioned earlier, is take off this grille, paint it gloss white to kind of match the vinyl. And then we have, from the Ford accessory store, we have the Bronco lettering here that replaces these and ties into an auxiliary switch to light up. That's the one thing I'm not sure about, is the white grille with the white light up lettering. It might just be too much white. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. But that's going to be next, and then eventually it might also be, wheels as well. But you'd whether taking them off and doing some plastic dip and getting those white, or finding alternative wheels. But again, that's way down the line. But right now, she's happy with it. She's enjoying driving it on the daily. Yeah, so just a totally different build, like exact opposite of what I would do on mine, but to each their own, and everyone has their own preferences. This is going to be her daily on-road only vehicle. So she doesn't need all the things that I've done with my Bronco, with the winch and the lights and everything else, and all the bash plates. And plus, without all that, hers is definitely getting a lot better gas mileage than mine. She's averaging about 21, 22 miles per gallon, whereas I'm at my best at 18 miles per gallon. So yeah, well, that's it for today. Just want to give you guys an update on the progress of my wife's 2024 two-door Bronco. If you have any comments or questions, put them down below. And again, if you like the content I'm putting out there, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next adventure. Thank you.